That is onions, garlic, mushrooms, and broccoli. And that's going to be good. Just, it's at 400, probably a little bit too hot. And this is what's going on next. But this ain't a cooking show. This is a gun show. And so let's get to the guns. There's not going to be a lot of talking in this video because this Fabric National FN is really high power. I'll let the footage do the talking. Anyway, let's get to it. This is the Israeli FN. Bad Boy Beeson has done a great job Cerakoting this thing. Looking forward to shooting it. Okay, so this will be a deliberate standing 10 meters. I'm pretty happy with that. Mag safety. Let's go look at the target. Ten rounds, 10 meters. A bit of a flare there. But that's essentially 9 rounds inside of a 1 3/4 inches. That's an 1 3/4 inches. Pretty happy with that. It's got to drift the front sight just over to the left a touch and ready to rock and roll. Israeli FN. Touched up by Bad Boy Beeson I'll put the name of the company in the description below. I say buy from them with confidence. Had to do nothing to this thing. Haven't changed the sights at all as I got it from them. Have a good one, folks. Pretty much guaranteed that I'm going to.